In this short video, we'll be looking at various verb plus ing forms in English. There are actually three ways in which we use the verb plus ing form. The first one is as a main verb, like when we use a sentence in present progressive or present perfect continuous. We also use the ing form to form adjectives or ing adjectives. And third, the final way is that we use the ing form as a gerund, which is a kind of noun or a noun phrase. So let's take a look at some of the examples of the ing form used as a main verb. This is probably the most common or the most simple way that we use ing in English. If we look at the first sentence, the student is sleeping in the library. We have the verb phrase in present continuous or present progressive. So we use the ing form there. The same goes for the other three examples. So the teachers are grading essays. Both the students and the teachers are working or were working. So you can see we use the ing form here. They have been working for 10 hours straight. Another way we use the ing form is as an adjective or the ing adjectives. Let's look at the first sentence. My friends liked the interesting lecture. So the word interesting, which ends in ing, is describing the lecture. So it's an ing adjective. The interesting lecture. What kind of lecture? An interesting lecture. The second sentence is the same. My sleeping coworker always snores. What kind of coworker, or which one? It's the one that's sleeping. And they were tired after the boring movie. So what kind of movie? A boring movie. And the final way we use the ing form in English is for gerunds. So if we look at the very first sentence, sleeping is his favorite hobby. Sleeping is a verb plus ing, but in this case, it's used as a noun. We can tell because it's in the subject position. So sleeping plus the verb is. She loves sleeping. Sleeping here is the object of the sentence, since the main verb is loves. She loves something. She loves the action of sleeping. When he is in class, he thinks about sleeping. We have sleeping here. It's another gerund, and we know it's a gerund because it takes the place of a noun. Nouns follow prepositions, and about is a preposition. So again, a gerund isn't a noun, but we say it acts like a noun. So preposition plus a gerund or preposition plus a noun is a prepositional phrase. He enjoys eating Chinese food. Eating Chinese food is a gerund phrase, or you could call it a noun phrase here. Eating a big meal makes her happy. So again, we have a phrase here, a noun phrase, eating a big meal. So those are the three basic ways that we use ing in English.